What's up, guys? On this week's episode,
another Chevy SS.
another one.
Another one.
Basic bolt-on, just in for tune.
Believe so. Header intake.
Okay.
Intake header.
Manual, auto?
Auto.
Auto. Okay. So probably right around the 400 mark.
412.
Is that what it just made, or is that your guess?
My guess.
Okay.
I mean, I wouldn't be guessing that's the final number if that's what it just
That's
made.
something you would do, though.
Nah.
I'm gonna go
Can't change.
422.
Can't change.
422.
You can't triple stamp with double stamp. You can't triple stamp with double stamp. Name it.
Coming.
Good.
Come on.
Cannot triple stamped it. No erases. Touch blue, make it true.
You can't triple stamp a double stamp. You can't triple stamp a double stamp, Lord. You can't triple stamp a double stamp.
Really?
Hey, man.
I mean, that's a hard line in the movie to remember, but still. You can't stump me on that. Bill's jealous, he's got rear Brembos.
He already came over and said he wanted the brakes.
Did he?
Yeah. I guess because they're red too, Bill's just silver.
Yeah. Well, Bill doesn't have the rear Brembos, he only has
Correct.
the front because of the year.
14, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, but he said he likes his hood better than this hood.
This is just, there's
It's
no
flat,
vents.
it's under no vents, yeah.
2 of them. Red C7Zs.
Mm-hmm.
So what are we doing to this one?
Cam package.
Okay.
It's getting the AFCO heat exchanger.
Okay.
Exhaust. Intake. Head studs. About it.
Okay. Sounds like fun. What are you doing? Just cleaning the pan?
Cleaning RTV, yeah.
It's going back on. Cam's all done.
Yeah, cam's in. Front cover's on.
Look at you. So Eric is on vacation. Fran is racing.
Bill's on vacation.
Bill's on vacation. It's you, me, and John.
Jesus Christ.
What?
I was like waiting for you to come over here.
Nah.
Oh my god, scared the shit out of me.
Did I? Good. You're in the little zone over there.
A little bit.
So valve covers are done, header's done, valve spring's done.
Yep, just
Coil
gotta
relocation.
get the wires and then I can finish everything up.
Nice. This D1X came in.
Yep.
Good. Oh, looks good. Okay, so he did go to 2-inch. I was confused on why he was changing them.
Yep.
He went from 1 7/8 to 2-inch. Okay, that's good.
Looks good without the wrap on there. This all looks real nice, so. My least favorite thing in the world.
Head studs?
Head studs.
Did you get that like tool for it yet, or are you still doing them by hand?
I forgot. I also want to get a new LT valve spring tool, and I keep forgetting to get that too.
So is it once they just get to a certain point, they're just a pain in the ass to hand tight?
That one's all the way in, so I might.
That's pretty good, yeah.
Yeah, I might get lucky.
I was gonna say that was pretty.
If they all going like that, I'll be ecstatic.
Still pretty good too.
Well, I tried. I soaked the holes in PB Blaster last night.
Ah. Maybe you think that had to do with it?
Maybe. Might have broke down that. It's the Loctite from
before the old bolts.
Yeah.
Oh, this one's gone. Oh, we spoke too soon.
Is it in or did it stop? I think it's down.
You think so? It's a little higher than the other one.
Felt like it hit the bottom.
Yeah, maybe it did. So that's Matt's new trick.
That's pro tip of the day.
Pro tip. Soak them in PB
Soak the holes
Blaster.
in PB Blaster
You
overnight.
just squirt it in there?
Yeah, I just squirted it in. And I blew them out and put the head studs in.
So much better.
I usually spend an hour on this.
Yeah. Well, usually you don't have the time to soak, like, let it sit.
Yeah, it worked out that I got them off last night.
Yeah. So if you can do that, do it. Ooh.
Well, it's upside down.
Sweet.
But it's got to go that way. Yeah.
So it just kind of like fits between there, and then you plummet to the sides?
Well, right now this is in the way.
Too small.
Mass airflow is in the way.
Your face is in the way.
If they move that down like a little bit farther, it'd be right there.
Well, why don't you move it?
I'm not. That's like molded into there.
Gotta figure it out. I like that people are so irate about my
About your
how I wear
apparel.
my hat. It just makes me want to do it more. It's kind of like the hood thing. There.
What's up, guys? On this week's episode,
It's a good one. Yeah, but if you wear it like that, I can't see your eyes. See? You have to have it up so you don't look.
gotta hide them.
See? Yeah, otherwise you wouldn't be able to see me.
Yeah.
I should wear just sunglasses and then you can't see me at all.
Wear a whole face mask.
Jesus.
Shit, bro. Okay, so Sean gonna be doing a meth on this car, man. It's pretty sick. See, oh shit, yo. Oh damn, man. That patent,
Sniper, yo.
patent pending shit, yo. Is this better for you guys? Okay, I wear my hat like this then.
Yeah, but then like someone will get mad that I'm like making fun of everybody. It's so offended. Everybody's offended.
Yeah.
All right, well you have fun with that. You figure that out, and I will come back when it's done.
All right.
So I don't have to stand here and act a fool the whole time. Hey buddy, welcome back.
Yeah, great to be back.
How's your fishing trip?
Not bad, not bad. I did a lot of fishing, but
How many snakeheads you catch?
I only caught 3 snakeheads.
That's it?
Yeah,
Are they good size at least?
yeah, 6.5 pound, 5.5 pound, and a small guy. But
You finally gonna bring in some for Matt?
got a ton of meat. I already gave some to Matt.
Did he?
Yeah, he had it for dinner the other night.
Oh, okay. Do you like it?
Yeah. Hey, good.
It was better than I was expecting.
Yeah, you too.
I won't lie to you. I gotta give some to Fran now, but he's gonna be busy these next couple weekends, he said, so I'll just wait to give it to him.
Busy weeks.
Dude, we
for
should
sure.
take it to fucking
LSFest.
LSFest.
You should. Throw it on a grill.
If there was any snakeheads in the area, I'd be catching them. But
They probably have some other good stuff. Kentucky and stuff for sure. I don't really know what's out there.
Yeah, we're looking forward to it.
It could be like Cecil. You could like fish in that pond back there.
Yeah. We plan on going to Nashville for a night too, so that's gonna be good.
That'll be cool. I'm sure.
Just like for dinner though, because we got to be back at the track.
Yeah. So you and Matt are going to LSFest with Fran.
Yep.
You'll be leaving. By the time
Thursday
people are
night.
Yeah, Thursday night. So by the time people are watching this, they'll
So I'll be watching the Eagles game in the back seat of the car
there you go.
because his wife's going with us.
Nice. That'll be fun. You're gonna have to do some filming.
With what camera?
It'll be fun.
Yeah.
Or GoPro. Use Fran's GoPro.
I wanted to buy a GoPro. Remember I was hitting you up this
Yeah,
week?
yeah.
I never did. I was thinking about it. I'm like, you know what? I'll just wait until next year. Because then by the time because the fishing season's almost over. And by the time fishing season starts next year, there'll be a new one. You know,
Sure.
so.
Well, I mean, I'll let you borrow mine if you want, if you're gonna actually do some filming.
What, this week?
Yeah. Huh?
So what are you gonna rig up the car?
No, just to like do it and film. Fran has 2 for inside the car, but I need like walking around, see what's
I can do
there.
that.
You want to do that?
Yeah, I can do that.
All right, I'll give you my
100%.
GoPro to use. So like walk around, check out some of the stuff that's there, check out like Leroy and stuff that Cletus is gonna.
Yeah, I'll
be
like get on the camera and be
Yeah.
like,
You want to do that?
I can do it, yeah.
All right, I'll give you the charger with battery packs, and we'll go through a little
And I
rundown.
can film Matt
Yeah.
saying stuff.
Just don't like waste all my memory card filming in Nashville being drunk, because.
We're not gonna do that.
All right, good. Eric will be filming with my GoPro at LSFest, so we will have some footage from that. Because I guess Fran doesn't really have a whole lot of footage from Yellow Bullet. He didn't really get much racing in, other than some of the qualifying and stuff, because the weather was garbage and rainy and didn't have much testing. So I know he qualified like 13th overall, which is pretty good. Like a 481 or something. It's pretty good. I think that's new best.
Nice. Yeah.
I think so.
I know he was fucking pulling the wheels up pretty good.
Yeah, I saw the one picture KP posted. He was like high up, not just like pulling the wheels.
Yeah, like had to let out.
Yeah, yeah, yep.
Like had to let out. Like about to flip it over.
Right?
That's probably pretty sick.
Hopefully I get some footage. So you'll be finishing this up?
Yeah.
This will be done probably today?
Yep.
Cool. And then Matt's got, what are you doing, just a trans?
Yeah.
Guy's doing a RPM transmission? Is he just upgrading or what?
It's just noisy.
Noisy? Okay.
3 followers away from 2,000. So.
Well, maybe if you do a good job, then you'll have a lot more.
Yeah.
So we already have his trans, so just putting it in.
Yeah, I think it's over there on that pallet.
Okay, cool.
Pretty uneventful.
Yeah. So you'll have this out today, probably that one going in and done tomorrow?
Probably have it out before lunch.
You think so?
Let's see why not. That's the first one I'm doing, just trans only coming out, but
That's true. You usually do the whole drivetrain, engine, and trans.
yeah, I usually get them out in
That's true.
3 hours, so.
Good point. We doing a clutch or anything at the same time?
No, we just did a clutch like a year ago.
Okay, all right.
So
Assuming you start heads cam package?
yeah.
Nice. And then Sean's still got meth and stuff on that. Are you almost done with that?
Yeah, just running the line back, kind of hiding everything right now.
Gotta figure out how we're gonna get the knob.
Yeah. I think I found somewhat of a way. We just gotta make it
Somewhat of a way.
some sort of a way. Just had to hide everything up under here,
me
running
see.
all the way back.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, they kind of tuck around
Nice, that looks good.
there. Yeah, it kind of,
Comes all the way back,
Yep.
up to the meth tank.
yeah, right through there.
Cool. Looks good. As they would say back in the Pimp My Ride days, that's trick.
That's trick.
That's trick.
Were you just watching that this weekend? or
No, I
something?
think Matt said it last week. And I'm like, really?
Really?
Did you say trick last week? I think you did.
You've got a fish tank in your car, bro.
Yo, we heard you like fish, so we put fish on your fish.
Put fish on your hood.
Most gaudy, god-awful creations ever.
I remember
And you know that 99% of the people just like sold out
Oh, yeah.
all of the parts on them.
one of them they did like a whole like diesel swap on something. I forget what the hell it was. It was actually pretty fast, but it still looked terrible.
Oh, of course.
It was like green, like bright green and gold flake.
It's because they just say, hey,
It was like a
have at
Monte
it.
Carlo or
Do
something
whatever
like
you
that.
want, man.
I forget what the hell it was.
Do whatever you want. I remember the Escort M3 conversion they did. It was the ugliest thing I've ever seen.
God.
It was like a Ford Escort, and they put like an M3 front bumper on it and stuff. It was so tacky.
Why would you do that?
Because it's a trick, yo. There you guys go. Hope you enjoyed today's episode. If you did, make sure you give it a big like and always subscribe. We will have some racing footage coming soon. I'm going to wait to put the Yellow Bullet footage in with the LSFest footage. So it's going to be one video with a whole bunch of racing. And as you heard earlier, Eric is going to be walking around filming. So make sure you say hi to him. Make sure you grab a t-shirt, say hi to Fran, and we will see you on Friday.